Okay, we're all finished with a lanai and an outdoor space. Got rid of all those ugly cracks and all those ugly seams between the 3 different slabs in here. Customer is going to replace the transition here, the aluminum transition. And here's where we tied the 3 pieces together around the air conditioner. So that was a whole separate pad to begin with. Looks great. Thanks for watching.
Pro Tech Epoxy Floors, Newport, Richey, Florida. We professionally install beauty and durability. Pro Tech serves both residential and commercial customers in Pasco, Hernando, Hillsborough, and Pinellas counties. Please call or text 727-916-2314 to discuss your project. We look forward to being of service. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please like, comment, or subscribe.